right, hey guys, welcome back to today's workout. We're going to be doing walking workout with weights. I have two sets here. You can grab 5 pounds, 3 pounds, 2 pounds, or 1. But we're going to be doing some resistance work here. Before we pick up those weights, let's just do a little bit of warming up without those weights. Take a deep breath, reach it up nice and tall. Now in today's workout, okay? If for whatever reason you feel like something's pulling or you feel something hurting, drop those weights and you can do the workout without the weights, okay? All right, let's press it out and pull it in here. We're gonna imitate some of the movements that we're gonna be doing with those weights here. Good, 4 more, let's go. 4, 3, 2. All right, this time let's take those arms out and pull it in. Good, squeezing those elbows in as you punch it out. Let's go, 4, 3, 2. Now from here, reach it up nice and tall towards the ceiling, pull it down. There you go. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, 1. Basic march, opening up those legs out wide. We're gonna do a little bit of leg curl here, warming up those quads. We're gonna be doing some leg movements here. And then twist it from your torso if you like. Add some bicep curls here. And then rotate it to triceps. All right, march it out. Go ahead here. Grab those weights because this is a 15-minute walking workout. We're gonna pick those weights up here and we're gonna march it out. I have my 5-pound dumbbells with me here. So depending on the size of weights you have, the movements may feel heavier, lighter, however you feel comfortable, make the adjustments. So from here, palms are gonna be facing you. And we're gonna lift those arms up chest level. Watch me, so lift, lower. Good. So I'm stopping at the top of my chest here. Good. Controlling those weights as you bring it down. Yes. 4 more, let's go. 4, 3, 2, shake those out. How we feeling there? Marching with those weights here. It's a quick workout, however, you will feel the burn in these. All right, now dropping those weights. Palms are gonna be facing towards our outside of our hips. From here, we're gonna lift and lower. Notice how I'm stopping at the top of my shoulders here. Good. Breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. I have 5 pounds and I'm feeling these. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. All right, I feel the difference. I'm like, where are my 3-pound dumbbells at? All right, march it here. All right, from here, we're gonna go into some taps because we're gonna add a front punch. Watch me punch. Good, punching with those weights. Feel those shoulders working here. Oh yeah, feel that burn here. Punching it out in front of you, keeping it chest level here. 4 more, let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. March it here, dropping that, rotating those shoulders here. How we feeling? All right, palms are gonna be facing out towards that wall. From here, we're gonna take that right leg behind and we're gonna curl and step it in, watch. Okay, join me. This is how it looks. Take it back and curl. Good. Way to work. 4 more. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop those weights here, marching it out. Palms are facing forward. We're gonna bring those fingers in towards us. And then dropping it in front. Other side, pulling. Keeping that march. And then flipping, turning it down. Go back and grab those weights. We march it here. Now this time we're gonna do the other leg, keeping that bicep curl. In 3, 2, 1, here we go, let's push. Yes, feel those biceps working here. If your weights are too heavy for whatever reason, you can drop it and do it without the weights. Well, we wanna really push. We only have 15 minutes in this workout. Good, way to work. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, 1. March it here. Taking that weight, dropping it down. We're only gonna use 1. Now, if you have 1 pound or 2 pounds and you wanna keep both of them, just place them together and squeezing it in here, okay? All right, feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna go into what I call a dumbbell swing, okay? From here, we're just gonna squat down, bring it up, chest level, okay? So, what I want you to think about is squeezing your hips as you come forward, okay? Squeezing your glutes. So, don't think of squatting, think of swinging. Does that make sense? Hopefully so. Squeezing those hips, not a squat. Good, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, good. 1, march it out here. How we feeling? Marching with 1 weight in our hand. All right, the next movement that we're gonna do, feet shoulder width apart, okay? We're gonna squat, press up. Let's go. Let's pull this. How we feel. All right, so the first option, you would slow it down if you need to, okay? But if not, let's keep to the beat. Squat and press here. Let's go. Way to work. Good. Don't stop. Keep pushing. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, go ahead and pick up that other weight on the floor. March it here. We have 1 more song left before we are finished with this workout. All right, we're gonna go into what I call a row and a chest fly. Feet are gonna be shoulder width apart. We bring those weights in front. We're gonna pull the elbow back and then open. It's row. Open. Good. There you go. 4 more, let's push. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, keep the rolls here. 8, 7, 6, 5. Pulling those elbows back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, march it out. All right, one more time, dropping one of those weights. We're gonna work the inside of our thighs here. So, feet are gonna be together. I'm gonna step out to the side, lunge down, pull that weight back, go to the other side. Okay? This is what it looks like. Let's go. Join me. Dropping that weight down, sticking that bottom back. Eyes are gonna be down to the floor once we go down, okay? Alternating here. We're switching the weight from each hand. There you go. How are you feeling at home? Give me 4 more. 3 more on each side. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. Oh yeah. Keeping that one arm, one weight. We're gonna do some bicep curls into a press. Watch me. 3, 2, 1. So curl, press. Take it back. Down. 2 more slow. Press. Take it back. Down. Last one slow like this. Press. Take it down. All right, let's pick up this tempo here. Let's go. Yes. There you go. I love to see you work. Four more, let's go. 4, 3, 2. Now from here, I want to see you give me 4 presses. 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. 4 bicep curls. 3, 2, 1. Yes, yes, yes. Pick up those weights. If we're hitting those biceps, you know we have to hit those triceps. So from here, we're gonna take it back. Weights are pressing back. If you want to, you can add a step with it. Good. Push. You got it. Way to work at home. Eight more. 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes, let's work. 4, 3, 2, 1. Dropping those weights down. Shaking out your shoulders. Good. Swinging it across, opening up the chest. Way to work. Go ahead and give yourself a tap on the back. Crossing over. Giving a tap on the back. Shaking your head, yes. Shaking your head, no. Shaking it out. Locking those fingers, pressing it out. Now, when I say keep pushing, no matter what shows up, I had a little glitch in the workout and the camera stopped. Bring it behind. But guess what? We kept pushing and we're still here. So sometimes when you work out, you have stuff that just throws you off, but you show right back up. You finish it strong. I hope you guys enjoyed this 15-minute walking with weights. We're gonna have more like this. Let me know down below any other type of workouts you would like to see, and we'll get them in. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me. Please be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and then also please remember to share with a family member or a friend. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Hope to see you next time. Bye.